But what is life without any risk? If you allow these fears to stop you from taking the risk, how can you actually get to the destination? There's always going to be a risk in anything and everything that you do. Anything that you guys desire, it's always going to be on the other side of taking a risk. Today, we're going to be speaking about what separates the dreamers from the livers. The people that dream about these amazing experiences and these amazing outcomes. We're going to be talking about what separates those dreamers from the livers. The people that live it. The people that experience it. The people that are actually doing it. Are you guys ready? Open your eyes. There's one word that comes to mind. One word and one word only. And that's risk. A lot of us are afraid of trying new things and doing new things and taking a chance on opportunities. A lot of us are afraid. What is life without any risk? Boring, dull, stagnant, the same, no change. A lot of us are afraid of stepping into entrepreneurship. A lot of us are afraid of stepping into affiliate marketing. A lot of us are afraid in committing to something. A lot of us have these fears that are completely irrational. Check this out. I have a dream. I have a dream of getting married in Hawaii. I've seen beautiful weddings, made me fall in love with Hawaii. But here's the problem. I don't like taking planes. I'm afraid of flying. How could something of that weight, that size, be able to maintain its altitude? How can a plane stay in the air? I do not understand it. I'm not risking my life to go in that airplane. Do you think I'll ever make it to Hawaii? Do you think I will ever make it to Hawaii? There's always going to be a risk in anything and everything that you do.
Oh, geez. There's all these people here making a bunch of money with affiliate marketing. I don't know if I want to take the risk and spend the money to learn what these people are all learning to be, successful. I don't think I'm willing to spend the money. I don't think I want to risk it. Coming to Florida for an event, I don't like flying. I don't like driving. I'm antisocial. I don't want to meet Mike. I don't want to meet Mike. I don't want to meet these people. I'm afraid. I have social anxiety. I'll try to attend virtually, or I'll just come to the next event.
What changes in your life? We can sit down and we can think about everything that can go wrong. Oh, this person's not going to like me. Holly is super judgmental. And Heather, she's kind of mean to me. I'm not going to enjoy myself. I don't know Junior. I don't know this person. I don't know that person. We can sit down and create all the reasons why we do not take an action to change our lives. At the end of the day, they're all excuses. I want to buy a car, but I'm afraid to drive. And I seen this person get into a car accident. I've seen this person die from a car accident. Look, I was on Instagram and I was scrolling and I seen this famous guy die this week from a car. I'm allowing fear to stop me from taking the risk. But that's not the risk that I want to speak to you guys. I want to talk about the risk of commitment. I believe when you commit to things, that's when you actually see fruits of your labor. My grandmother recently gave me a mango tree. It was like this big when I got it, right? It was like this big. It literally fit in one of my cars. She gave me this mango tree. And you know what? It was a lot of work. I had to go in the backyard. I had to shovel, right? Dig a hole, right? I had to dig 3 holes technically, right? I had to uproot an old tree. It took me like 2-3 hours to do that. What if I sat down and I said, the time that it's going to take me to do this is not worth having this tree in my backyard? Would I have this tree in my backyard? Yes or no? No, I wouldn't. So I continued digging. I threw out the oak trees that was in my backyard. I got like a bunch of the dirt from Lowe's. Right? It was like so much, super heavy. I had to lift it up, pour it in. It was like an entire thing. And I planted my tree. Do you think that's a level of commitment? Yes or no? Not only do I have to dig this hole, I have to take this big ass tree out, throw the big ass tree away, go to the store that's like 20 minutes away, buy a bunch of soil, bring the soil back, lift the bags up of soil, dump them in, plant a tree. All of this in the middle of the night. This is a lot of work. Commitment is a risk. Did I know that this tree would have grown? Yes or no? Did I know that this tree for certain was going to grow? Absolutely not. The tree could have died. We just had a hurricane in Florida. The hurricane could have blew the tree away and killed the tree. It's damn near winter time and I planted it, a month ago? Or probably a little bit more than a month, right? It's damn near winter time. I'm planting a tree right before winter? This tree is going to die. What if I sat down and I created all the excuses as to why I should not plant this thing now? Would I have that tree in my backyard? Yes or no? Commitment is a risk. Anything that you are going to commit to becomes a risk. It can work out in your favor and it also may not work out in your favor. If you do not commit to anything, what do you actually ever gain? Absolutely nothing.